Hello everyone, Lesleyanne here. Welcome to my channel if you are new here, and welcome back to all my lovely subscribers and anyone else who watches my video. So today I have got another Temu haul for you. Oh, who doesn't love a bit of Temu? It's just incredibly amazing. If you've had your head buried under a stone somewhere and you haven't heard of Temu, it is like a department store online. You can get absolutely anything and everything, and things that you didn't even know that you wanted or needed on there. Can be a little bit addictive, you know, because the prices are fantastic. And just keep looking, just keep browsing, and you will be surprised at what you can actually find. Such good prices. You sort of think, how on earth do they do it? So firstly, before I start on the video, I would like to thank Temu, because once again we are working together. Most of the time I do buy my Temu order myself with like my own money, like everybody else does, like you do, I do. On the odd occasion, Temu have graciously asked me to work with them. So of course that's what I'm doing today. So I will start by showing you what I've ordered. It's a little bit of a mishmash. I'm going to save the best. So I saw this and thought it was beautiful. So this is an actual fact a canvas. I need to get a frame for it, so I need to write down the size and to get a frame, as I say. But it's gorgeous, and it's very, as I say, it's all about Christmas really. Well, most of it is, not all of it. And it says Christmas rules, spend time with family, have plenty of hot cocoa, bake cookies, believe in magic, be kind, build a snowman, spread Christmas cheer, give more than you get. And it's got lovely little, it's hard to show it to you because it's rolling up, but what I will do is I will include a clip alongside every item that I show you, so that you can see exactly what it does look like on the website and what you can do with it, how you can style it, all the rest of it. But I do need to just go get a frame or order a frame for this and get it ready to style up at Christmas. So this is a set of 6. Find the lids. So here we go. It is plastic. So it's plastic in the shape of like a Christmas tree. So you've got your little screw-on lid to go on here. And then I thought what I might do is, well, you could just simply leave it like that and pop whatever you want to pop in there. Whether you wanted to put, I don't know, some sweets for your own sort of decor in the house, chocolates, that sort of thing, or gift it. I'm thinking I might put sweets in as little gifts, and you could decorate it with a nice red ribbon or Christmas ribbon, or you could make, I don't know, say a big pom-pom and decorate the face as Father Christmas and stick it to the top. So you could go all out really, so just let your imagination run wild. So there's 6 of these, so I might do them all different, and yeah, gift them up with, I don't know, whatever. You could do, you could put in like some puree, you could do, you know, like a little cake mix, like a little muffin mix, and layer it up, and all they've got to do is tip it into a bowl. You could put chocolates in here, as I said, sweets in here, bath salts in here. I mean, it's just pretty endless what you could use it for. Crafting bits, if you're giving it to somebody who likes crafting. But yeah, so I got those. Okay, next couple of bits. It is not a huge haul by any means. These, oh my gosh, these are so cute. They were like pence, literally pence. So they come in a nice little bag to keep them nice and safe. And so what it is a Christmas tree decoration, or you hang it wherever you want. And to me, I think it's like a perspex, and of course it's this lovely bull. I love cows, apart from dogs, which are my absolute favourite. My next best animal are cows. I just think they are unique, just so pretty. I love them. And so you've got a nice little ball with goggles on it. Right, so you've got your little bull, and then you pop the little bell on. That's so cute. And then tie it up to whatever length you want. And then just give it a little tie there, a little twist. And then, there you go, you've got your little tree decoration, little cow. Isn't that cute? I really think that's so sweet. So the other one is like a little lady cow. So here they are, so sweet together. How cute are these? They're just adorable, aren't they? Literally pence, about 30p I think. Something like that. Not even that, I don't think, I'm not sure. These are not related to Christmas at all, but I did order these for Luke. So a new phone case for him. I ordered one of these, which was one of my paid for ourselves, which you may have seen by now. Ordered this phone case for Chris, and he absolutely loves it. And Luke saw it and said, oh, I really like that. So I think they call it like a puffer jacket one, because it's like all puffy, like a puffer jacket. So that's for his phone. And then also this is for Luke. I also showed you this before. Chris and I both got one of these. Chris has got a black one, I've got a red one, and they're amazing. So it's the RFID protection. So you can't be sort of like scammed or anything. And then you pop your cards in, and then when you push that little lever like that, what it does, it just pops the cards up. It's as simple as that. And sometimes it can be difficult, can't it, getting cards out of your wallet or your purses with all the stuff that we carry in them these days. But if you just like pop a few of them in here and go like that, like I'll show you Chris's. Push that bit down and then up they come, look, there you go. Simple as that, push them back down. And a great little security protection for your cards as well. Last but not least, as I said it was a little short haul this time. Something else for Christmas. So if you know me and you've been following me for a little while, you know that I tend to make most of my wreaths for whatever the season. This year I thought, I'm not going to do one. I'm going to like buy one. And so I saw this one on Temu. I'm just getting it all fluffed up a bit, making it a little bit more floofy, so we can get it at its best. There we go. And it's a Christmas wreath. How cute is that? Isn't that lovely? It's got the typical Christmas theme with the truck that goes to pick up the Christmas tree, and like the red and black checked ribbon. The driving home for Christmas kind of theme on the ribbons, which you can floof up a little bit more because it's got the wire in it, so you can play around with that to get it all, you know, how you want it, and pop it on your front door. And I just thought that is really nice. I thought it was lovely. So yeah, there you go. So thank you for joining me. Thank you, as I say once again, to Temu for sitting to work with me today. If you have enjoyed watching this video today and everything that I've shown you from Temu, then I'd love it if you could give this video a thumbs up, you know, press that like button, press the notification bell for more of my videos to come your way. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then that would be amazing if you would do so. So take care, everyone. I will talk to you in the next video. Take care, everyone. See you later. Bye. Bye-bye.